The Domino Effect project is a game-based educational software and hands-on learning resource for children, teens, and families. A team of students at Yale University is working with educators to develop this educational resource for use in libraries, schools, and homes. While there exists national and global organizations that propose unifying objectives, our project is specifically designed as a game-based educational software to help educators, students, families, and communities build a collective mindset for learning, wellness, and problem solving. Participants play along in this multiplayer online virtual game that extends into the community with GPS and QR code elements at custom-coded locations such as libraries, parks, and community events. The educational game illustrates the human story and how we have worked together to accumulate knowledge and technology passed from generation to generation in a domino effect of wellness for individuals, families, communities, and the natural world. Highlighting this process in interactive gameplay conveys a sense of motion and momentum as a means of revealing human patterns of cooperation and inviting students and families to join in the progress of humankind.